Can immigrants get a mortgage with no US credit history? Imagine trying to buy your first home in a new country without a credit report to show your financial trustworthiness. It can feel like navigating a maze, but there are ways to make it work. Many immigrants wonder if they can qualify for a mortgage without a US credit history. The answer is yes, but it depends on your situation and the options available. In the United States, lenders usually look at your credit history to decide if you are a good candidate for a mortgage. If you are new to the country, you might not have built this history yet. That can make it harder to get approved for a loan, but it is not impossible. Your immigration status plays a role too. Permanent residents, non-permanent residents, and even some non-residents may have different pathways to homeownership. There are specific mortgage types designed for people in your situation. Conforming mortgages are the most common. They often requiring a social security number or an individual taxpayer identification number and proof of legal residency. These loans are available to those with proper documentation and some credit history. If you lack a credit history, you might still qualify if you can show other financial proof. Non-conforming mortgages are another option. These are for borrowers who do not meet the usual criteria. For example, if you do not have legal documentation, you might consider an international taxpayer identification number mortgage. These loans usually requiring a larger down payment, often around 20% of the home's price, and may have higher interest rates. Foreign national mortgages are specifically for international buyers. These do not requiring a U.S. credit history but often need a larger down payment, typically between 20 and 30%. They also may requiring proof of income from your home country and a good credit history there. Getting started involves some clear steps. First, figure out your budget by estimating how much you can afford for a down payment and monthly payments. Next, gather all your documents, including proof of income, employment, and identification. Some lenders might ask for international credit reports or alternative data like rent payments or utility bills. Choosing the right lender is key. Look for those who specialize in foreign national or international taxpayer identification number mortgages. Once you find a lender, apply for pre-approval. This letter shows sellers you are serious and ready to buy. After that, you'll go through the full application process, which includes an appraisal and closing. Building credit in the United States can help you get better mortgage terms in the future. You can do this by opening a U.S. bank account, applying for a secured credit card, or paying rent and utility bills on time. These actions show lenders you are responsible with your money. Financial planning is important too. Make sure your budget includes all costs like property taxes, homeowners insurance, and closing fees. If you plan to send money back home, look for low-cost remittance services to save on fees. Also, account for visa expenses if you are in the process of legalizing your stay. Even without a U.S. credit history now, you can work toward your goal of homeownership. Understanding your options and preparing your documents will help you navigate the mortgage process more smoothly. With patience and the right approach, owning a home in the United States can become a reality for you.